Low self. Some people they wear them based on say, oh, because of this clothes to make sure this clothes come outside. Exactly. So you go. But when you don't they wear them repeatedly, even when you know they're necessary, then you get low self-esteem. You understand? And again, the waist trainer. Some people need to know say dangers there. Like you will get asthma, you go wear them. Sorry, my sister, you shall be attacked one day. They're gonna pump you the air. They're not. You gonna like, but they don't understand. Help. Help! Wait till they do help. We go, they give you CPU. Now, when person touch and say, "Oh, waist trainer, lose them," and I don't see somebody who actually slump because of it, because they jack her well, and so she does good.
I think my true life story with this. When I just started to wear waist trainer, now my sister would actually wear waist trainer. Already wait now. My sister does buy this one as in very tight one. Now we have go one of our wedding. Igor's wedding. Now we have go. I was looking very good.
You're constant.
But I not feel breathe. I can't they sick. I can't say something they bite my belly. I said, Jesus, what is this? I tell my church wedding I said, Church, I'm not comfortable. He said, well, what's the matter? I said, I feel like I want to faint.
Yes,
I said, let us go to the car. We go car. Now like that, come out. I said, come out and see as I feel. I said, we walk yourself waist trainer. What are you waist training for?
I tell you, and it get dangerous because if they shrink your intestine, they move and come to your heart. And imagine somebody will get plenty cholesterol for body because now people wear their fat self, they even wear them, and you know say you get the cholesterol for body.
I tell you.
Go work out. Allow the body rest. When you they walk them out, allow and rest so that ain't gonna say, you know what, you know they used to the body. That walking out, that sore, that pains, the body too go they adjust. But when you they used to the packing the whole intestine, the everything go up here one day. Monkey go market, you know, go come back and you know go be our portion. But before you know go be our portion, you go gas to take precaution.
Concerning this waist trainer, a lot of some things where a lot of people don't know about waist trainer. Be say number one in the first instance, waist trainer gets sizes. Yeah. Now a lot of people just they buy waist trainer because okay then they sell waist trainer and then go buy, not asking say okay which size I go use for starters. Yes. Now the initiative of waist trainer actually come up because when they work out, general exercise, they work out,
you need to hold your abs
inside.
Strong, yeah.
But for people where just they start, we not get the ability to hold their belly inside for so long because most workout videos from Obodo, you go see when they talk and they go say hold your cores inside. Your cores now the belly when they talk about. So when you don't get that stamina to hold your belly in for so long, now you then create waist trainer. Now the waist trainer you need to wear them according to your size. I know. You know if you get belly where reach like this and then the wear waist trainer where me I go fit wear. Of course you are killing yourself indirectly. Before you know you go just faint because the body needs to get used to them. So when you start from your size and then the body don't they reduce small by inch. Now that time you go they reduce to smaller sizes one by one. Not be one day then build room. Now a gradual process. But a lot of people they misuse them now. Now why you be almost by that day? But we thank the Lord.
I'm not misuse them. Excuse me.
Misuse them because I tell you to send out your size.
My
you
size.
No.
Myself and my sister they use the same size. Now my size are there.
It not supposed to make you uncomfortable.
Okay, so let me tell you something. Waist trainer, the ones where I don't see, they get like 3 hooks where you need to hook them. You know, so the first one they're there to loosen them a little bit, the middle one they're there, and the last one. So now, for someone like me where just starts, I be the thing say you go need to tie it very well.
I like what you talk. You before the thing.
No, yes,
because
now,
not be the actual.
Because I can't go use the last one to tighten them well. So that's not why the team won't choke my enemy.
But you know, say if the first one you use them and it's still tight like that no be your size.
No, the first one not tight. Because later on, because I got still wear them, but I can't use the last one, then I can't feel relief.
But when you they use them, you they work out.
No, why would I work out?
So you don't go work.
So do I really need to work out?
You need to work out with the waist trainer. Waist trainer not be magic.
Then again, the condition for waist trainer not be everyday thing. Now once in a while where you dey go
and you need to
out,
understand
and
still,
the dresses where
waist
you wear.
trainer in a way, I know person wey no actually work out. And her belle, she don't born 3 good children.
Yeah,
and her
body
belle
different.
go back. Now, the thing
And
about waist trainer.
She they use size when it be her size.
No, she dey use her own size. My
Yeah.
sister like her size, like say tomorrow no day. So she dey
Yeah.
use her own size. She get tons and tons
But she not
of
dey sit down
waist
for
trainer.
one place, right?
No, the thing is,
They do a lot of physical activity. She they work out.
She dey work. She work for office, even more than what we they do.
You
She
don't
dey
think
sit
we
down.
always
Wait, let me
trainers
explain
sit
to you
down, they cook
something.
for house?
Let me explain to you something. She dey actually sit down for office. She get her own office. She sit down. People come meet her say madam and whatever. But the thing be say, they actually control her intake. Now,
food,
when I even
yes.
take and when I even wear the waist trainer, I don't feel even drink, the bottle of mineral. I don't feel finish them at all.
True.
Because it controls your intake.
Very true.
Now, imagine say you know they eat like, let's say they finish like a plate of food. Then definitely, it go they help you. They make your belly day very, very
Now, make I
okay.
tell you why that thing no they help you, because if you thin
No, I'm
like
not saying
person
no, they
like
help
me,
me.
no, I
I
they
know
give
they use
no
am.
example like for those where they help. If you thin like me, you can't use waist trainer. You can't decide say okay because the waist trainer they help you, they limit your intake of food. You go disappear last. Because
Of
at the end
course
of the
now.
day, your body go enter starvation mode,
Yeah.
and then you go become malnourished.
Come dey
Because you know they eat
anorexic.
enough, they get enough vitamins and
Nutrients.
nutrients where your body need from the food.
Because very soon, you can't get used to you. Your belly will come, let's say you can't tighten.
Your body go dey
And you
avoid
not even
food.
eat
Yes.
more than,
Yeah.
yes, you not even eat more than you they actually eat before. For
But
me,
may I tell you, when you dey wear waist trainer too, just to help yourself, because no be daily thing, things where you go eat needs to like what you talk now.
Yeah.
You wear waist trainer, but you know if you finish bottle of mineral. Number one, you first totally avoid mineral because you no need
Appreciate,
soda for your
sister.
body.
why you wear waist trainer?
And then you go begin chop grass.
I'm not talking, no way. It's not
chop
compulsory.
grass.
See the best way: eat grass and be healthy. Total
It's not
one.
construct-
We
But-
stick to our akpu.
But you know, say we never actually we don't talk about the effects of waist trainer and why some people they actually wear waist trainer. But we never talk about the main one where people they actually talk say people where they wear all this waist trainer and the rest say they actually get low self-esteem.
Like
It
I
has
talk,
nothing
I
to do with
agree.
your self-esteem.
It depends. One,
Okay.
like Queen Bee talk, it go get to the point when it be say it go affect your self-esteem. If they wear them based on some particular clothes, because maybe you know like get some kind of clothes like this where you go see where you go need to add some extra portions for some sides of your body. You go need to reduce some portions for the clothes to come out right. But when you can't decide, say okay, you know feel leave without that particular. So maybe you don't get any special occasion. You want go shop, go buy biscuits for down. You go wear
Yeah,
them.
waist
You
trainer.
want run go open gates for person downstairs. You go wear them. It be like makeup too. When some people feel say they don't feel come out their house without applying makeup on their face, then it don't affect your self-esteem because they tell yourself say without this thing I know if stand for the front of people.
And you know what? You get one story of one woman. She don't marry her husband for 5 years, and she talks say her husband never see her for once without makeup.
God forbid.
I told you, say she not even feel come out for inside the house for the compound
So,
without makeup.
they never
Them
marry.
of the foundation.
I said they
Anytime
never
she dey
marry.
bathroom, she go tell her husband, honey, wait first.
They never marry, they still the date. The marriage has not started.
He's still toasting her.
Walai.
They never dey date because if they don't dey date, truth go don dey unveil
You know,
itself
it's
gradually.
true, it's still toasting.
All right, you were there that you want to put your mouth inside this waist trainer of a thing. You feel so girls where they actually wear waist trainer to make their waist go inside and all their figures to come outside. You feel so they get low self-esteem. Now let us know your own opinion concerning this matter. You're going to need to enter Twitter at TalkTalkWazobia or you enter Facebook TalkTalk-Wazobia TV and surely we will reply. Yeah. Now, like another community again, because we actually interact with you. So make sure, say, you follow us on Talk and put your mouth inside the matter. Now, moving on from that particular story, we could talk about another one. Alima Abubakar.
Long time no hear.
Long time, no be my sister.
Don't say.
Nollywood actress. Now, she don't come outside talk one quote, one statement where a lot of people now, they actually rely on. Now, she they talk, say, I pay attention to those who not clap when I win. Nollywood actress Alima Abubakar, for inside one recent interview, she don't speak about fake friends and the unhealthy competition where they for inside the movie industry. Now, she come outside talk, say, I am in an industry where people, they find them hard to congratulate you when something good don't happen to you. I often celebrate others, and I dey aware, say, not everybody fit be like me, because me, I dey celebrate everybody. Everybody. He say most of my colleagues, they congratulate themselves whenever good thing don't happen, whenever they don't achieve something. I know they wait for people to commend me because it not go fetch me money. Now she wants to go on to talk, say she don't notice the actors will not support her. You say some of my colleagues, they are capable of blocking every avenue of opportunity where they come my way. I dey pay attention to those where not they clap when I win because they are the ones where I need to avoid. Now, waiting Halima Abubakar don't come aside talk. Now, I know say we get a lot to talk about Halima Abubakar and this particular statement where she don't make, but you were there out there. Let us know whether you actually see reasons to let Halima Abubakar come aside talk. She say she dey pay attention to those where not they clap when she win, and also on top fake friends for inside the movie industry. Put your mouth inside, enter Twitter at Totok Wazobia. And when we come back, ladies are ready to dig into it. Will they come back?
This morning.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.